Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a bookmap data for free. So bookmap gets its market data from exchanges, so free real-time stock and futures data is limited. However, you can still use delayed data for practice. So the best free option is crypto. With Bookmap Digital or Bookmap Web, you can view live crypto order flow, heat maps, and liquidity from major exchanges. Just simply sign up with your email and no payment is required. So for the easiest setup, open Bookmap Web in your browser, create an account, and start exploring. You can also start a free trial for a temporary real-time stock or futures data, but payment may be required afterwards. So the free version also has limited historical data, but it is enough for learning and quick reviews. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I will see you on the next video.